Guys, this is absolutely the best strap kit I've ever bought. There are tons of reasons why, not just one, multiple reasons. Let me show you what's so great about this kit. Reason number one, you get hold downs. These are really nice. Let me show you how they work. We'll take our hold down here and pretend this is an ATV or motorcycle handlebar, something like that. Take the end with a half twist, thread the other end through it. Now look how nicely it grabs a hold of that. With that half twist, it flattens out on that bar right there. So that's really ideal. That's what you want in a hold down. Second reason these are awesome, right here, see that? That's gonna keep the hook from falling off. How many times do you throw the hook over something, connect it to one side of the truck, go around to the other side just to find that the hook has fallen off? Countless times I've done that. So this will hook on and it'll stay on because it's got this little carabiner clip, whatever you want to call it right there. We all know how it goes. You're trying to hook something to one side of the truck bed and you have to go under and you're going over the top of something else, carefully trying to keep the cord nice and taut, and all of a sudden you get a little bit of slack in it, give it a jiggle, what happens? It falls right off. Well, with these guys, ideal for hooking onto things because it's got this little carabiner clip deal going on. So you can clip that on and do whatever you want to it. You know it is not coming off. If you're a little bit OCD like me, they give you these really nice Velcro straps to wrap around each one so that you can keep things nice and tidy. I just take the end, now you can take this Velcro strap that they have given here, wrap it around nice and tight, and that is going to keep the strap together really well, nice and tidy. In the bottom of the box, you get a nice bag. So you can throw all of this stuff into a bag, again, keeping everything nice and tidy, organized, and together. Throw that under a seat in your truck box, whatever. Straps go in also. 1, 2, 3. Last one. 4. Drawstring on top, keeps everything together real nice. So just a great, well put together kit here. Last thing I'll mention here is the quality of the ratchet mechanism and the actual strap quality itself. Seems really well made, heavy duty, no issues at all with the strap, and the ratcheting mechanism works really well. Also, just exactly as I would suspect, it's easy on the hands, nice big thick rubber coating around everything. Same thing here where you need to pull hard sometimes to get it to release. Everything has just got a nice fit and finish on it. So I'd really recommend this. It's a great kit. The hold downs, this carabiner style clip, just a lot of great features in this whole kit.